Hi everyone, welcome to the Estate Blueprint, your ultimate guide in building and investing in the world of real estate. Hello guys, my name is Berhel Torreja, aka the Estate Blueprint. I am one of the property specialists here in Abida. Maybe one of you are first-time buyer or an investor or kaya ay naghahanap ka for your retirement home where you can enjoy peace and relaxation. Stay tuned, this video is for you. But first, pag-usapan muna natin kung anong company nga ba si Abida. Well, Abida Land is a mid-market real estate of Ayala Land that offers condo units, house and lot only. For over 3 decades of providing sure, secure and sensible homes ay ganun na po ka-establish sa Abida. Also, marami na rin pong projects sa Abida, no? Meron po tayo in Metro Manila, Cebu and Davao. And now, we are in Santa Rosa, Laguna, and I'm excited to share with you one of the biggest development ni Ayala, which is Nuvali. Nowadays, pag sinabi nating Nuvali, ang alam lang po natin is yung mga existing establishments siya like Soledad Malls, the Lakeside Evo Zone where you can feed the koi fish, the Healthway Qualimed, and Seda Hotels. But maliit na part lang po ito ni Nuvali dahil sobrang laki pa po ng development and napakadami po pong pwedeng i-offer sa atin ni Nuvali. Sa sobrang laki po ni Nuvali, it transcends the 3 cities of Laguna, Santa Rosa, Calamba, and Cabuyao. It has an area of approximately 2,500 hectares, and to give you an idea, it's twice the size of Makati and 10 times the size of BGC. Before we go further inside Nuvali, let me share to you a bit of my journey. I worked before in one of the leading construction company here in the Philippines, which is Makati Development Corporation or MDC. I worked there as BIM coordinator and BIM specialist. We are utilizing BIM software to design and generating 3D models, perform clash detections, and collaborating with other project groups to ensure na tama and nasa standard ang mga projects na ginagawa natin. And FYI lang po, si Makati Development Corporation po ay isa sa general contractor ni Ayala Land when it comes to building infrastructures, condominiums, commercial, residentials, and other mixed-use projects. Most of the project po ni Abida ay si MDC po ang nagko-construct nito. With this experience, I am very proud sa ating mga client na napakatibay and nasa standard at quality po ang mga ino-offer namin sa inyo. As we go back, ang kagandahan po kay Nuvali and why it's good to invest here, in the near future, ito na po ang magiging next BGC and Makati natin in the South. And the good thing about Nuvali, this is the more improved version of BGC. Dahil ang type ng development po dito ay suburban, layback, and more relaxed. Dahil nakahiwalay po dito ang mga commercials and nakabukod din po dito ang mga residentials. So it's good to build your family here dahil ang binibili nyo po dito is the entire community and you're not just buying the piece of property in Nuvali, but what you're buying is the future. Now, as part of Abida, I am here to help you guys to navigate the exciting world of property investment. If you are the first-time buyer or investor or kaya ay naghahanap ka ng mga retirement homes, lalong-lalo na po sa mga kababayan natin in US, Canada, Australia, and UAE, this is the best time to place your investment here in Nuvali. Dahil sooner or later, mas tataas pa po ang value ng property natin dito. But the good thing is I'm here to assist you with ease and confidence from reservation of units, turnover, up to bank financing, whereas isa rin po akong home loan broker sa ating mga local banks. I will be with you po every step of the way, so you can contact me to my number 0966-205-8031 or you can message me on my Facebook page, The Estate Blueprint, for your inquiries. Together, we will turn your property dreams into reality. So thank you guys for joining me here in this journey. Next videos, pag-uusapan naman po natin ang mga upcoming developments ni Nuvali and the newly launched estate, which is Crescela. For more videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Once again, I am Berhel Torreja, The Estate Blueprint, where your future homes start with a plan.